Today, I'll show you how to create a typing text animation to give your videos a dynamic and professional touch. Let's get started. First, head over to the titles panel and drag the default title onto the timeline. Now, select the title layer and go to the right side editing panel under the text tab. Here, you can type your text, change the font, and apply a preset style to make it look exactly how you want. Now for the animation, switch to the animation tab and under the preset animations, look for typewriter appear. Once you select it, your text will now appear on screen letter by letter, just like a real typing effect. You can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the duration slider that is available here. The longer the duration, the slower the typing animation will be. And that's it. You've successfully created a typing text animation in Filmora. It's an easy way to make your videos look more engaging and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips. See you in the next one.